How to fix app was denied access on Android. Now, in this video, if you're encountering this kind of error message, say for example, what specific type of application you're doing, and you're receiving an error message that that application was denied access into your Android device. So there are a few things that you can do. First is you can go into your Android settings or into your phone settings. Now, just simply use this magnifying glass so you can instantly search and try to go on update. Now, from security and privacy, go into updates. And then in here, it's going to be case to case basis on what specific application you're using because some applications requires the very latest version of Android. But here, make sure that you are using the latest version of Android by just updating the whole mobile device easily. Next is you can go into the search box once again by going to apps, then choose on apps. Now from apps, say for example, you're currently using this specific application, which is Among Us. So if you're using this and you're receiving that kind of error message, make sure that under permissions, everything is allowed so that you can run and use the application. So those are the things that you can do for you to fix app was denied access on Android.